Carrots. Look at the ramen noodles.
Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make ramen noodles with pepper. First thing you're going to need is ramen noodles. Right here I have instant ramen noodles, chicken flavor. And right here I have pepper. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the ramen noodles. Alright, so I'm just going to open up the package right here. Place it aside, and then I'm going to look at the ingredients, not that I need them. Alright, it says 1, fold back the lid halfway, fill inside the line with boiling water, close the lid securely, and let stand for 3 minutes. Remove lid and stir thoroughly and enjoy from cup. Absolute goodness. Let's go ahead and do what the instruction says. I'm gonna go ahead and peel back this plastic right here. All right, pull that back. All right, and then I'm going to pull this halfway. All right, absolute goodness. Now look at in there. Look at the vegetables in there. A lot of people say I don't eat a lot of vegetables with my ramen noodles, but look at that. Absolute goodness. You have tomatoes, red peppers. Look, there's peas in there. Look, peas. All right, corn. That's a lot of vegetables if you ask me. Absolute goodness. And then there's the ramen noodles right there. All right. So now at the look at the back, I have boiling water. I'm going to go ahead, turn the boiling water fire off, move the pepper to the side, and then I'm going, oh, that's hot. Hold on 1 second. Let me get an oven mitt. All right. So I have my oven mitt. I'm going to place this down on a flat surface. And then I'm going to, let me zoom in so you can see this happening. And I'm going to pour in the hot water up to the line. See that? Absolute goodness. All right, pour it in the line. And then I am going to sit and wait for 3 minutes. All right, close this and wait for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, it should be cooked all the way to al dente. I'm going to peel back the top like this. All right, see I peeled back the top. And then I'm going to add pepper. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Look at that, look at the vegetables. Look at the pepper. Look at the peas. Look at the carrots. Look at the ramen noodles. Absolute goodness if you ask me. Absolute goodness.